Hey everyone, this is Narayan and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today we will have a little chat. We are going to practice casual English conversation. It's a simple chat between two friends. I'll read my part and after each dialogue I'll give you some time to say your line. And make sure to read the lines out loud. It is very important you should say these lines out loud. Also, in the description, you will find the meanings of the useful phrases that appears in this conversation. You can use this in your everyday situations. It can help you take your English to the next level. So when you practice this conversation, it can help you improve your speaking skills. Also, this helps to improve your vocabulary. You will come across new phrases and words you can use in your everyday situation. This will help you improve your vocabulary and take your English to the next level. So, let's get started. Emma and Sarah meet at a cozy cafe for a casual chat. I'll be Emma and you will be Sarah. Hey Sarah, it's so good to see you. I have been good, just busy with work. What about you? Me too. Have you ordered anything yet? Sure, let's take a look at the menu. They look at the menu for a moment. I'll go for a latte and maybe a slice of that chocolate cake. It looks delicious. They place their order at the counter and return to their seats. So, how's everything else going? Any new hobbies or plans? That's awesome. I have heard yoga is good for relaxation. I'd love to. Just let me know when you're going next. I have been trying to read more. I just finished a great novel. It was a mystery novel with a lot of twists. I couldn't put it down. Of course, I'll bring it next time. Their drinks and cake arrive. Me too. Sometimes it's just nice to relax and chat. Not really. Why? Do you have any plans? Oh, that sounds perfect. I'm in. Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it. Same here. Let's do it again soon. You too, Sarah. See you soon. In this conversation, you might have come across some key expressions. These expressions are game changers for beginners. It's so good to see you. It means I'm really happy to see you. What about you? What about you? You are asking for an opinion. How about you? What about you? Let's take a look at the menu. You are asking the other person to join you. Let's take a look at the menu. We'll do it together. We will order something together. That sounds perfect. I'm in. It's a way to say you are excited for the plan they told you just now. So, I'm in means you are ready for the plan. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. It means you are waiting keenly for that moment. You are waiting for the day or you are waiting for that celebration or party or something like that. When you are so excited, you can say this. Now, after practicing Sarah's dialogue, you can also practice Emma's dialogue, which I just read out. After I finish reading each sentence, you can pause this video and try to repeat that sentence. Also, another way you can practice this conversation is you can try to answer the questions asked in the conversation in a different way. You can try to answer each question in your own way. You can create your own answer and can improve your English speaking skills. So guys, that's all about our casual English conversation. If you need more such sessions, please comment it down. Tell me how helpful these sessions are. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.